This is the Lone Creator YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You begin by opening Google Board and signing in so permissions sync. Next, create a new board. Click the plus new button or choose a template to avoid building from scratch. Name the board clearly and set access, viewer, commenter, or editor, because permissions determine who can change content. Once done, invite collaborators by email or share a link with the appropriate access level. Make sure to enable comments or version history, now so edits are tracked and accountability stays clear as you move forward. You now organize the board into logical sections. Create frames or labeled areas for tasks, research, or timelines so viewers orient quickly. Add sticky notes, text boxes, images, and drag in files. These elements carry context and keep decisions visible. Use grouping and layers to lock finalized items and prevent accidental moves, and align objects with guides for tidy visuals. Once you finish grouping, assign owners with mentions and due dates to convert brainstorming into action, and make sure to save or pin critical references. You finish by running a review session. Walk through each section, invite comments, resolve threads, and accept or revert edits so the board reflects consensus. Export the finished board as PDF or PNG, or copy a live link for stakeholders to view. Exporting preserves layout and timestamps. If something breaks, check permissions first, then refresh the browser, clear cache, and confirm your internet connection, because most sync issues stem from access or connectivity. Finally, enable version history to recover prior work if needed.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.